stairs on the side of Denise's garage?
Oh yeah, I got several of them.
Don't do it, Bubba! Bubba, stop it! I will show you, Bubba! Hey guys, don't worry about it. Bubba can't drive, dude.
No, everything's good.
And then GBG pulled up and made fun of us.
Look at Bubba's car. It's all crashed and shit.
Somebody just got knocked off the bike. Sammy.
Yeah.
Down. Somebody grab him.
Be careful. You guys have meth on you.
I know. Sammy's down.
I got him.
We got it.
Call out.
If you got a chance, just put the meth away and try to go help.
I will.
I'm just getting fucking death ram now.
I'm gonna go fucking grocery and put my meth up.
Hey, just so you guys are aware, I'm going up to our old house to meet with Delilah.
By yourself, fool?
Yeah.
Not smart.
Who's Delilah?
Delilah is... an angel.
Oh.
Big man's angel.
Yeah, big man's angel. Boss woman. Baby mama.
Stinky bikers.
Aw, stinky.
Now we're under
fucking
the
Juice wouldn't like you
freeway
saying
right
that. He
now.
loves
Kind of
us.
past.
Hey, y'all, look at this shit. Ready? Ready?
Man, you guys got rid of tree
Stinky
lights.
bikers.
Hey, yo.
Stinky bikers.
Stanley.
I'm gonna be in the area, Juice, just in case.
Juice, are you talking old house like the castle, or are you talking old house like Gambino's?
Was that you guys with the 2 units behind you?
We're by Alta. Oh, we got like 4.
Alright,
where you at?
Can I go in my garage?
Passing
I'm burning on the dance floor. Oh,
Or
Yeah,
taking
Benny's
left
right
before
there.
Benny's. We're
Bye.
going right past gun store.
It's on you.
oh.
One spot
Right
out.
now we got 2 units.
How you doing?
I wish it showed right when you booked here.